Hey everyone, how to fix this buzzing noise? Okay, that might be your question. So we will going to do a quick setting over here in the computer, and you can able to see your noise will going to reduce. Okay, it is like I'll show you both the things. If I'm switching on that setting, how the noise will be coming whenever we'll be recording the session, and if I'm switching off that particular setting, how we can able to avoid that noise. Okay, so we'll just directly go to the control panel. Okay, I'll just click this Windows icon and I'll check for the control panel here. Okay, once I'll going to go to the control panel, just go to this hardware and sound, and here sound option is there. Just click on this. You will going to get the different option at the top, and for the playback and all it is available, but you will be concentrating on the recording. Just click on the recording here. You will going to get all these different options. Okay, and one more thing you need to have is just right click on the okay in this particular screen, and you have to show disable devices. It should be in the ticked condition. Okay, if it is off, show disable devices, we should make it on. Then you just disable other recording tools apart from your microphone. You might be using certain microphone. I am using this 4 USB PNP sound device, and I have kept it as a default. And this microphone which is inbuilt from the system, I just disabled it. I'll just right click on it and I'll show you if I have enabled it how the sound will going to vary now. Now I have enabled this, so you can see some background noise will be coming, and whenever I'll be clicking the mouse, or if I'm doing some typing activity, that time that sound also will going to take with this. So I'll just disable this one so that the noise quality will going to improve all of a sudden. So just do this small settings in your PC, and you can able to have the a better recording quality. Thank you.